Now we have set up our website with our home page. So let's start creating our home page. So I will go to my admin dashboard. You can also click edit option here, but I will go to this, and there is an option called is pages. So I will go to the pages. Here it will show me all the pages which we have created. Okay, so in my case I'm going to edit our home page, so I will click on edit. Yeah, it was that, and now I will go to edit with Elementor. As we have already discussed, what is Elementor? Elementor is a plugin that provides some advanced features that we use to create our website. So let me also open this here. Okay, so we will reflect our changes. Yeah, it's opening Elementor plugin. We know that Elementor has also a premium plan. I will show you. Okay, so first of all, let us choose our basic section structure. So I will add a section with 2 columns. Okay, when I click here, you can see that there are multiple options available. These are some add-ons, basic. These are some pro. What is it? We are not going to purchase anything here. We will try to cover all the things in most of the free resources. Okay, and this is due to our premium. Yeah, you know, we added a plugin that was premium add-ons for Elementor, so it provides some more add-ons, and then we also added a plugin called Elementor eKit. So these are given due to that. Okay, so all the basic structure we already know. So what we will do now, I will just start to create website. How we'll do? We choose something like, if I go to button, you don't find any widget, just you can search. There are multiple options, this button, this button, eKit. So I will choose something like this button. Okay, what is the difference between these buttons? So button. Okay, this is a basic one, and first one was eKit button. Let me drop it here. Yeah, you can say that there are some customization. It looks some better option, and I click this. So this is something like similarity. Features are approximately same, but it will give you more customization feature. Let it remove this. I don't need this. Delete it. Okay, if I want to change anything, so I will click on this and I can easily change anything here. Now what I will do, we'll add some heading, text heading. Let me add this on top side. Okay, and after that some text, so I can add text editor. Yeah, suppose if you want to change the width of this section, I mean there are 2 sections, but I want this section little bit small and this one something wider. So how can I do? I can just drag and drop something like that. Okay, yeah, okay, so let's start something. We put something like that. You can say 40. Yeah, near about 40. Better. If I choose something, let me do that. We do big things. Okay, you can add anything. After that, with big ideas, I can put enter here. Okay, another option, I have just entered new line here, but it's not reflecting here. So what I can do, I will put a br tag, yeah. So it will create a new line. Just put a break here. Okay, so now it's a new line. Okay, what we can do now, we can also customize the color. So let me click on this and go to the style. I will choose, I think, black colors. Yeah, I will choose a black color. Then one thing you should remember before creating website, in the whole website, what we do, if you want to look your website a little bit professional, so what you have to do, you have to choose some primary colors and some primary fonts. What does that mean? I mean, you have to put, you can say, all the fonts, two or three fonts, whatever you are choosing, would be same in all our website. I mean, it should not like be that in first page you have using something like Roboto fonts, another page has some Poppins fonts, so it doesn't look like similar. What you have to do, you have, if you choosing font here, like I'm going to typography, if I'm using a Roboto font here, so what should it make? All the headings I'm going to create in the website, that should be written in Roboto fonts. One thing more, if you are using a colors, so color should be also the same. And don't worry, if you want to choose a color, I mean, if you want to pick a color from here, so there is also a plugin called Colorzilla extension, Google Chrome extension. What it does, it simply picks the color. Let me do for it. If I go to here, yeah, Colorzilla for Chrome, install Colorzilla. Let me show you something. It basically for what, that if you want a color code from where, you can use a color. So add to Chrome, add extension. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Now it's installed, I think. Installing. Okay. Wait for a while. Cool. Now it's installed. So I will go to my website. Suppose that if you go to anywhere, let me go like LinkedIn. Okay. And if you want this color, so how can you get the color code for this? You have to just simply, what can do, just pick the Colorzilla here, Colorzilla, this one something. So you can see that where I will drop it here, you can say just I will go, it will pick the color for me. I'm on the white or red or blue something, so it will show me the color code here, here. Let me do for another thing, like you want this color code everywhere in the whole section or whole website, wherever you go, it will choose the color code for you. Okay, so let me, if I want to this color, so I will just go here and click on it. So color code copy. Okay, and I will go back to this and I was going to change something this color, so I will go to style, color, and what I will do, I will just control V, paste that color here. Look, the color code has been copied here. So it was for that. I mean, you don't need to search color code again and again if you're trying to make a website, something like copying from there, taking a look from there. So you don't need to think about the color code. This extension could be very useful for you. Another thing that I was telling to you, that was the font style. So for using the font style, what you can do, I told you that try to use the font style little bit same. Why? Because it looks something professional. So how we will do, let me show you. There are, you can, what you can do, you can choose font as many as you want. Okay, for that what you will do, let me go to the, let me close this one also. I will go to the Google fonts, Google fonts. Okay, if I go there, close it. and choose fonts.google.com. It's a very good website. Why? Here you can see how your text will look like. So let me, if I go to, suppose I want to check this, Control A, Control C, type a sentence here, Control V. Now you can see that if you are using a Roboto font, so how your text will look like. If you're using Poppins font, so how it will look like. I mean, any font you can use, and you can see a preview here. Okay, how your text will be going to look like. So I think which one is better. You can choose any of them. Okay, there are lots of text, lots of fonts available. Any font you like, you can just copy and then paste that here. Okay, this is the font name like Anton, Source Code Pro, Notosans, Rajdhani, Bitter. Okay, you have to just remember the name, or you can just copy the name. Okay, and then paste it here. So let me choose which is better. I think all are looking good. What I will do, I will choose this. Okay, I am going to choose this one. So what I will do in my whole website, you can see throughout the website, I will going to use a Poppins font. So I will go there and typography, I will choose Poppins. So POP, it's there. Okay, now all the headings which I am going to use in the website, that will be on Poppins font. So choose text size. Okay, yeah, we can also do the bold thing, 42, and width I will little bit change, not too much. Yeah, okay. If you want to change, I mean, totally in uppercase, so just you can choose text transformation from here, uppercase. Now all the things are in uppercase, lowercase, normal. So I will put a default. Okay, so this is our text main heading. We are creating our hero section here, and this is the heading for that. After that, what we will do, yeah, we will go this text. So I should write here, I think, what can I write? We are learning to create our website. Typo mistake. Our website. Okay, we are good learners. Something like here. I mean, it should be not written here. Here will be text you want to write about your company or about yourself, something like that. So we are here learning our website. So we are writing something like this. Okay. Also, the same style operation could be applied here also. What we want to do, left align, center align, something like, you can reflect. So I'll put it here. I don't want blue color because it will not reflect. So if I want blue, so what you can do, let me think. Yeah, this one also. Okay, suppose that here you can choose the how it should be visible to the user. I mean, opacity of the text. Better, little bit light also. Okay, if I want to look at how this text will look like in different fonts, so what I will do, I will go to the content, copy, Control A, Control C, paste it here. Now if I want to how our text should be look like, what we can choose, I will using the Poppins here also. Okay, it look me better. You can choose anyone, any of you want. So I will also choose the pop-ins here. I will go to the typography, then family, then I will type pop-ins and just click on this. Yeah. And I will also choose the black color, not a blue. Okay. In this text, I can also provide some text shadow, something like blur is too much, so I will decrease it. Update this. Learn more. So I will choose get start learning. Get start learning. Something like, and I want to, it should be like, left. So alignment should be here something. Suppose that if you want a rounded button, not a like something rounded border. So what you will do? I will just style. Okay, let me do border radius. Suppose that 5. Let me more 10. Okay, now you can see that here is something round shape. You can increase like 20. Okay, now it's rounded. But if you want something like icon here, so what you can do, go back to their button, then add icon, choose a icon. Here are two options. If you look at there, let me show you. Oh, okay, I will click on button, then icon library, the library icon which is provided by the Elementor or button kit. You can also upload your SVG, okay, supported vector graphics, as if you want. I will go to the icon library and I will choose right arrow. What's that? Right arrow. Okay, so yeah, it's better. Just click on insert, but here is the icon is this side. Okay, but if I want the icon in the where after the content, so I will go to the style icon. This is the font size. Okay, let me go back there. Where's the icon position? Yeah, this is one. I will click the after. So now better. Look something better, but the color I don't like. Click on that. Style. Okay, then text color, background. You can also change the text for this button also. Okay, don't worry. I will go to the text color. Suppose that. Look at here. Color is changed. I don't like. White was better because it was very clear. After that, background type, I will choose a classic and color will be red. I'd like to choose a red color. Something like, okay, it's too light. Yeah. You can also do one thing. Suppose that if you're going to create or if you're going to use this color on all your whole website, I mean throughout your website. So what you will do, you will just choose your color, one thing, and after that you can click a plus button. So what it will do, you will don't have to choose your color again and again. If I click on plus button and I will name it as a red and I will create. So whenever I have to choose this color, I will just click on this button and the color is added to the hair. So something like, okay, you want some designs here, so what you can do, a multiple option. So if you want a pattern, design here, so what is we will do, go here, patterns for website. Okay, let me don't pattern, I will choose dotted pattern. I go to image, you have seen multiple patterns are used in the background of site. You can add any of them.